Looks like it's lonely, like it's supposed to pay attention to. He's like trying to figure out where's bad. Aww. It's like eating my nail. You can't get me back. What now? Yan, tough.
Oh my god! That's like a porno. Jesus!
Wait, look how flexible it is.
Oh my god!
Is it my milkshake brings other boys?
Oh my god! I can gotta get my girl.
Milkshake brings other boys to me, and then...
Oh, another three-way! What the hell?
Whoa, what?
You like these birds?
Whoa, what? Whoa, you're getting a little tricky over here.
Maybe we can learn from the birds. We're learning from the birds. Oh, this one's back for more. Hey. How cute. It's like, that tastes good. Like, I don't know how to get out. Oh my god.
Like, tastes like granola bar.
So that one's like, hey, I want some. You want another finger too?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, are you fighting over it? Oh my god, they're fighting over me.
Back off. That's
Back
mine.
off, motherfucker.
I don't
That's
know
my
what it is,
lady.
but I want it. I have no idea what that is, but I want it. We can't have it.
Probably tastes like snake. They're probably hungry. I'm just saying or something.
Tastes like ball python.
I find it sad this is on video. Yeah.
That one is 8
I find it sad this is on my video.
Yeah, party animals up there again. Dude, look, he's gonna eat crap. He wants to eat crap. That would have been funny. He would have ate it.
Oh my god, I'm like attracting all
Let's
this.
see that one is tied in there.
Oh my god, this is. That was
I
so
never
rad
watched
again.
this
What the hell? It's like deep throating my nail.
one. Whoa. Whatever floats your boat, I guess.
Yeah. They clean and they think it's like a seed, so they're trying to figure out how to break it. They're trying to crack my seed. Crack my seed. It's fun. Like rings, they would take out, like they'll try to like get the gem out. Yeah. It's